A nonprofit working across the U.S. is challenging the traditional idea of public safety and how cities respond to crises. The group's called Urban Alchemy. They train people who were formerly incarcerated and those without homes to become practitioners that respond to overdoses, mental health breakdowns, and encampments. They are already making an impact in San Francisco, Portland, Austin, and Birmingham. Joining us now is the founder and CEO, Lena Miller, and Director of Community-Based Public Safety, Louie Hammonds. So, Lena, let's start with you. How'd you come up with this idea?
Well, we started with the pit stops, which are public toilets in some of the San Francisco's most troubled intersections. As people went by the pit stops, they felt that they were safer, and they also they found that crime dropped around those areas. And because of that, different folks within city government asked us to do different things, and it eventually evolved into street cleaning and then community-based public safety and space activation. And then during COVID, to staffing the shelter-in-place hotels.
So it all starts with one idea and expands. So, Louie, Stanford found the presence of your practitioners reduced crime by 52%, drug crime by 80%. Why do you think your methods are so effective?
Well, our methods are effective because it's the secret sauce is interpersonal relationships, genuine and sincere relationships, just meeting people where they're at, but not leaving them where they're at, having a trauma-informed lens. I'm formerly incarcerated, spent 21 years in prison, was released in 2017, looking for an opportunity. I had a lot of remorse, wanted to give back, and Lena Miller and Urban Alchemy gave me that opportunity. What we found was, or I found, speaking of my perspective, is that those closest to the problem are closest to the solution. Who better to do the work? We're formerly incarcerated, formerly unhoused, formerly mentally ill, formerly addicted. We have the empathy, the agape love to really we know we're seeing each other. It's not us versus them, it's just us. And that relates. We're credible messengers. We have a license to operate in areas that others may not have based on our former experiences. And we're the good guys. We're the good angel talking to the good angel and trying to get people on track and know that love is a verb, and we're going to show you.
Lena, you say part of the mission is to transform people and places through love and respect. Why are those two things important in this cause?
I think at the core of people's nature, that's all there is. And then when people are in the most desperate, devastating times of their life, you have to talk to that part of the person, and you have to reach them with that part of you. As Louie just said, the angels talking to the angels. He means, you have to find that part within the person, and then use that to kind of bring them along, to connect them to service and to inspire them to transform different things in their life. And when a person doesn't have anything, if you don't use basic love and respect, the whole engagement can create more conflict as opposed to a place of connection.
Love that. Lena Miller, Louie Hammonds, thank you guys for joining us. Enjoy your weekend, what's left of it. Appreciate you guys.